To make a new flashcard set, first we'll need to go to the questions link on the left-hand menu. Then we'll click the Add Set button on the right-hand side of the page. And we choose the vocabulary question set type. Then we put in the title of our flashcard set and choose a subject. Let's go with English. And then the target grade, or what class level the flashcard set is designed for. We'll just leave it at 9. And next we can choose whether to keep it private or publicly shared. If we set it to publicly shared, then it will be available to view and clone by all teachers by going to the shared section on the left-hand menu. So we go next, and now we see the flashcard creation screen. So first of all, we can choose a couple of design choices. So we can choose the group color line and also the background style. Then we'll put in the words. So the first word we'll go with is candor, and that is next the word type or group is a noun. Then the definition of candor, quality of being honest and straightforward. Then we should put in a sample sentence. It's not essential, but it is a good way of showing on the front of the card an example of how to use the word in the correct context. So let's put in a sample sentence for this. Candor of her speech won over the audience. Now, after that, we'll just click Add Card, and it will be added to the vocabulary card list on the right-hand side. If we want to go back and edit any of the cards, we'll just click on it here, and the values will be re-entered into the text boxes for us to edit how we want. And then we click Apply Changes, and it will return to the card list. Let's just put in one more card for this one. Let's go with brusque. And the word type group, adjective, definition, abrupt or blunt in speech or behavior. Then the sample sentence, gave a brusque welcome to the stranger. Okay, then we add that card. Now we have 2 cards in the set. We can submit that. And the question set has been created. So as you'll see here, it's the newest one on the left-hand side, the vocabulary set. So if we click this, we can view all the cards in the set and see the answers on the back just by clicking on them. To add a flashcard set to a class, this can be done 2 ways. The first way is to click on the Classes tab on your home page, then select the class you want to add the flashcards to, and then click the Add Flashcards button on the right-hand column. And from the drop-down, you can choose which set of flashcards you want to add. Then you click Submit, and it will show up in the flashcards list for that class. The second way to add flashcards is directly from the questions set view. So if we go to questions on the left-hand menu, and then we'll select a vocabulary set, then click the options button on the right-hand side, and then assign to class in the drop-down menu. And from here we can select which class we want to add the flashcards to. So let's click English 8A. That will take us back to the class page, and as we see here, we now have the random words flashcard set twice on the page. To remove a flashcard set from a class, first we go to the Classes tab on our home page, and then select the class we want to remove the flashcards from. And on the flashcards list on the right-hand side, we'll click the flashcard set we want to remove. Then click on the Remove tab on the right-hand side. and verify the removal by clicking the Remove Flashcards from this class button. And now, as you can see, there's only one set of flashcards for this class.